because I can leave nothing alone, we are going to add, I tried to order these from Buyee. They were like 50 bucks for two. Found them on eBay for pretty cheap. I think it was like 30 bucks for two. Ordered 4 of them, only got 2. I'm waiting to get the other 2, but I'm going to mount them. I ordered these before I got the LED Underglow kit, but I'm gonna mount these. I'm gonna try to do 2 on each side. To a little switch, just to, I don't know. Seems very Honda Helix to me. So we're gonna drill a couple holes, run some wires, wire a switch up. Nothing crazy. All right, 3 holes drilled for each star. Big hole for the wires. I fucked up, of course. I put that high. I thought it would look cool kind of going up, and it hits the frame. So we might be removing some plastic to bolt that one in, but we'll see. So I got one bolted in. It's not wired up yet, but this is what it looks like. Pretty cool in my opinion. I would do one on each side, but of course I already drilled these holes. Wire the other one up. You don't need to watch that. Oh, we got under fenders off. We're fucking doing the 2-finger lobster scissor. We're getting it in there. God, that was a pain in the ass. And I am sweating. Bad. But we got it. Run these wires out of the way. simplest, easiest little jobs seem to be the hardest. My third shower of the day after this. Little switch. Nothing crazy. It even lights up. Switch broke a little bit. I got to probably use a different one, but I dig it. Put the everything